see what he's got here.
That is a nice looking Lightning body kit.
Rims are kind of weird.
Headlights are sweet.
Alright, you know what? I need my, some of my security guys right here. Real quick. I need you guys to run in. Let's clear out some of this big chunks of rubber. Anybody? Anybody?
Nitrous injected Lightning.
I want to make ear horn guy help.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Oh, he is out here.
Yeah, it does have nitrous too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta switch.
Sweet.
Somebody's trying to get free tickets for next year. I don't know what this is, but that's not part of a tire.
I like the fast decals.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty sweet. See that on the front too?
Pretty sweet. Oh, I never realized that. Does Wyman's have that?
No.
Oh, you got mine separate, eh?
Yeah.
Once again, let's give it up for Memo and all the guys.